What if the most beautiful chapter of your life has not happened yet? In a world obsessed with youth, some women are proving that confidence, elegance, and personal growth only become stronger with age. Today, we are exploring the inspiring journey of Holly Jane Johnston, a woman who has captured attention not simply because of her appearance, but because of her confidence, authenticity, and willingness to redefine what beauty means after 40. Welcome to Prime Elegance Studio, where we celebrate remarkable women who has inspired us to embrace every stage of life with grace, courage, and purpose. Before we begin, remember this age is not a limitation, it is an experience, wisdom, and strength wrapped into one powerful story. Holly Jan Johnston represents a growing movement of women who are challenging outdated ideas about aging rather than hiding from the passing years. She embraces them with confidence and authenticity. Her journey reminds us that beauty is not defined by a number. True beauty comes from self acceptance, personal growth, and the confidence to be yourself. As women move through different stages of life, they often discover something extraordinary: freedom from unrealistic expectations and a deeper understanding of who they truly are. One of the most inspiring lessons from Holly's story is the importance of self-confidence. Confidence is not about being perfect. It is about appreciating your strengths, accepting your imperfections, and continuing growth despite challenges. Many women over 40 face society's pressure that suggests beauty fades with age. Yet women like Holly demonstrate the opposite. They show that maturity brings wisdom, resilience, and a unique sense of style that cannot be taught. Her presence also highlights another important message: personal reinvention is always possible, whether it's pursuing new passion, building a career, expressing creativity, or simply choosing to live authentically. There is no age limit on transformation. Research constantly shows that happiness and self-confidence often increase with age. As people gain life experience, they become more comfortable with themselves and less dependent on outside approval. This shift creates a powerful foundation for emotional well-being and personal success. For many women watching today, Holly's journey serve a reminder that your best years are not behind you, they may be unfolding right now. If you are over 40, 50, or even 60, remember this: your dreams still matter, your voice still matters, your beauty still matters. Every wrinkle tells a story, every challenge teaches a lesson, every year adds another layer of wisdom to the remarkable person you are becoming. The world needs more women who embrace their authentic self without apology. Thank you for watching Prime Elegance Studio. If this story inspired you, leave a comment. Sharing and confidence means to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us. We continue celebrating extraordinary women who prove that elegance, beauty, and strength have no age limit. Until next time, stay confident, stay inspired, and remember your journey is your creative masterpiece. Thank you so much.